Shooting Christmas lights is really simple because normal photos can be really overrated this time of year without something a little bit of an extra sparkle. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're diving into the magical world of Christmas lights and being able to photograph them, because you know that regular photos are just too mainstream. Let's make it interesting, shall we? So you've got your camera ready and you're staring at those twinkly lights. But how do you actually capture the essence and make sure that they are sparkling just the way you want it? So the first one that you're going to need to know about is the blurry wonderland. What we're going to do is we're going to have the bokeh come through and make sure that you set your camera to a manual focus. Close your eyes, snap away. It's like you're seeing Christmas through the eyes of someone who's forgotten their glasses. Genius, right? Okay, so the easiest way to do this is to quite literally set your aperture wide and make sure that you have some distance between the subject and the lights. It's Santa's little secret. Okay, the second one that you need to know about is the fairy glitter. Okay, quite literally being able to sparkle. Now, one of the easiest ways to do this is to set your aperture the other way. Okay, so you want a narrow aperture, and it's just like thinking about making sure that you are focusing really hard. And make sure that you've got an interesting backdrop and then you dust a glitter. And if you're really unsure about how to do this, then you can use one of these. These come in various different designs. You can have them as 4-star, 6-star and 8-star, and make sure that you actually be able to get those different sparkle effects. Okay, the last technique is reindeer scallop. Quite literally, who wants to see reindeer leave a trail of sparkles around anyway? And you're going to need to make sure that you set your camera for a long exposure. Okay, and it means that you can have an extra effect of light trails within your photos. Your photos will be magical. Even Santa will be jealous of your reindeer lives. Simplest way to do this: set yourself on a long exposure, make sure you're on a tripod, and be able to leave it with you. The lights then move and it leaves a light trail across your photos, enabling you to add something a little bit extra to this. You will need to set your long exposure to at least 3 to 5 seconds, but ideally 10 to 30, so make sure you have a steady footing and make sure you know how you're going to do this to make sure that you get photos like these. Remember, if you want more exciting ideas like this, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you stick around for the next one. See you next time.